Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to discuss magnetic things first of all, and then we will discuss worksheet as well. So will be two things to cover. One is worksheet and second is
البيشي.
hello Fahad Albishi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hello teacher, I am Hamid Muhammad Al-Hamid.
Hello
Teacher,
Hamid.
page what? Kareem. Ustad, page what?
الله وبركاته. أستاذ أنا من هبة الشريف.
Alaikum Assalam Munabba, how are you?
I'm fine.
السلام عليكم
That's
أستاذ أنا.
Hello.
How are you teacher?
I am fine, how are you? Rami.
I
Hello,
am fine.
teacher. Hello,
Hello.
teacher.
Hello, how are you?
أستاذ
Yes.
Buddha.
ارسل لنا هذيك اللعبة اللي اسمها كويز.
No.
He say he wants the game of the quiz.
Yeah, I understood.
Like he won it again.
No. Not today, I mean. Maybe.
أستاذ
Yes.
اليوم في اختبار صغير كذا.
No.
أستاذ أنا الاختبار الأخير جيت الثاني ونادر الأول.
Okay, now you will open your books, page number 62, 63. Okay. On this page,
Yes.
here on the left
Teacher?
side, page number 62, we have a review for this. That's what we did, right? We finished this. Nobody sent me this
Yes.
compass. I gave you this, but you didn't
Teacher,
send you.
because I don't have because we don't have
أنا كنت أرسمها بس ما عندي مقص.
No need to have it. You have to make it.
أوكي أستاذ أبشر أرسل لك.
Let's see, inshallah. Okay, so here we have what we have learned about magnets in this unit. We will discuss. So may the force be with you. This is the topic. May the force be with you. يعني ممكن في قوة معك. You have the force with you. What causes the Earth's magnetic field? What causes the Earth's magnetic field? Because the Earth, sorry, the core of the Earth, the core.
the teacher. My name is Amory, teacher.
Hello. the core of liquid iron, cobalt, and nickel the core of liquid iron, cobalt, and nickel causes this to happen.
Hi, Mr. Imran.
Hello, Mr. Rashid. Okay, look at the diagram of the atoms in a non-magnetic. Can you draw how the atoms are arranged in a magnet? This is how they are arranged in non-magnets. Okay, so how will they be arranged in magnets? Who will tell me? يعني في النون ماجنتس هنا ما في ترتيب صح؟ هذا اسمه non magnetic. But in magnetic there is a sequence في ترتيب صح؟ So
Yes.
yes, so you will make here, this will be the sequence, like from here to here.
دكتور أمي لقيتينا؟
2, 3, 4. Then you can write it 1, 2, 3, 4. They will point north and south. So this, if this is n, sorry,
1, 2, 3.
if this side is n, then this side is s.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. So this is n,
What,
this is
teacher?
s. N, n means north and s means south. I hope that you know this. Now the other ones, north, these are particles or atoms.
Good afternoon, teacher. I'm Faisal Khalid.
Hello, Faisal Khalid, good evening. That's how atoms are arranged in magnetic things, magnets and non-magnets. Okay, now you understand why it points north and south, because they are arranged in a sequence. If they repel each other, it means they are facing north to north. Understand? If I say north is facing to north, yani same, will they repel or they will attract? Huh.
Repel.
Yes, they will repel each other. Or if I
Repel.
say they are north, but this time with south, they will,
Attract.
yes, they will repel, yani R,
السلام
and they
عليكم
will
مستر
attract,
نواف
yani
عبد
A.
الله السفياني.
Yes, hello Abdullah Sufyan. So this, they will repel and they will attract. Yes, who is with me?
Mr. Rashid. So if N and N is close together, they will repel.
Excellent.
And
Yes, they will repel. Very nice.
And S it attracts.
Excellent, excellent, ya Habibi. Thank you so much. If N with N, they will repel. If S with S, they will repel. If N with S, they will attract. That's how it works.
They need to be different.
Different if you want to attract them. Okay. I understand how a magnet works. That yes, as I told you here, explained. I understand law of magnetism. Okay, then I understand how the north and south poles of a magnet reach to each other. I explained these three to you. This is the law that same poles repel each other and opposite poles attract each other. That's how it works. I hope you understand, right? If anyone has any problem, you can ask again, no problem. I will explain it to you. Now, which things are magnetic? This is the topic. This is the topic on page 63. There are only 3 magnetic metals. What are those? Who will tell me? We did this on this page. Here. Draw a circle around magnetic metals. Page 59. You did it.
There's some
Yes, who will tell me? Anyone?
Me, teacher.
Yes, please.
Yes, teacher.
Magnetic metals
Are
are iron,
iron,
nickel, and cobalt.
cobalt. Very good. Iron, nickel, and cobalt. Very nice. Iron, nickel, and cobalt. Thank you so much. Why is steel magnetic? Anyone? Why is steel magnetic? Because it contains what? Inifi Mojudesh. What do you think? Why a steel? Yes.
Sir, I want to answer. I am Zaid.
Yes, Zaid, please.
Because it has metals.
It has metal. Which metal? Because it contains iron, we can say. Metal is the right answer. Okay, thank you so much. But you can.
Welcome, teacher.
Okay, so it contains iron. It's alloy of iron. Okay. Why does a magnet make a good compass? Because it points compass points what? Who will tell me? Compass always points what?
Teacher,
Which
Fahad
direction?
Subyani, can I
Yes,
told you?
Fahad. Yes. Yes,
Why
Fahad,
does
please.
a why does a magnet make a good compass? Because it points.
It points what? It points which direction? Compass. The needle of the compass points which direction? Always. I told you. On this page, we did this. Yes, this page, previous page. Here. The compass points what? Even here you can see. A compass points what? Here. Look. Which side?
North, teacher.
North.
It's north.
Yes. Because it always points north. So you know you have, if you go right, look, because it points north. If the point is here, it's mean north. If you want to go east, you can go northeast, you can go northeast, and in the middle. If you want to go east, southeast, you can go here. South, you can go here. Southwest, west, northwest. North. So that's how you can go if you want to use compass during your journey or during your travel, as the, yes, as the old people do. They use compass because they know it is pointing north, so they can go right if they want to go east, or left if they want to go west. It's like that. They use it like that. They use compass to know the way, to know the direction, to find the direction. Hello, Sanat.
Teacher,
Yes.
uh, north, south, east, west.
Yes, these are four directions, but compass points north. That's why magnets make it good or usable or good compass. Okay, now my question is, can you name at least 4 different things that use a magnet? So I need 4 of them. Anyone? I need
Yes, teacher,
4
that's
things
all.
that use. Yes, Fahad, Fadda. Yes.
I'm Zaid. Can I answer?
No, Fahad, please wait. Somebody else. Faisal, Abdurrahman, Amr,
Teacher,
anyone? Yes, Hamid. Huh?
what is exercise? What is exercise things that use a magnetic?
What are different things? Yes, tell me. What are the things that
يعني
use
أستاذ وش
magnet?
نكتب فيها؟ Teacher,
Yes,
a compass.
a compass. Okay, it's a common sense. You can see here compass is there, so you can say compass. Okay, then you can see one more thing here. This picture, you cannot see this image. It's a train. So train uses magnet. Sorry, train. Okay, then anything else? What do you use to, yes,
Teacher, fridge.
fridge. Okay, anything else?
Teacher,
Yes, Hussein.
Teacher,
Fahad Al-Bishi.
can. Food can.
speaker.
Does it
Yes,
work?
speaker. That's the nice answer.
The speaker. I am Ziad.
Thank you so much, Ziad. Speaker.
Washing machine.
Okay, washing machine. Then,
I'm Ziad.
thank you, Ziad.
teacher.
Aywa, give me one thing that use magnet. أي شيء هو يسوي مغناطيس.
Electric drill.
Ziad, please wait.
Teacher.
Yes.
Iron, Amrani.
Iron is magnetic thing, not uses magnet. Fahad Saud Al-Bishi, I am waiting for your answer. Ya Habib.
Ripple.
Yes, teacher.
Aywa, tell me one thing that uses a magnet, like compass, train, speaker. Aldini Wahid. وشغل magnetic.
Steel.
Fahad, steel is not a magnet that a thing that uses magnet. This is a thing. We are talking about things.
Ripple, Amrani.
What is ripple, ya Rami? فهد سعود البيشي لازم ركز في الفصل. طيب.
Plastic. Metal.
Plastic is plastic is a thing. Yes, Hussein.
A lock.
Yes, a lock or car. Thank you so much, Hussein. Excellent.
Nail. You're welcome.
Car, you use in your car, there is magnet.
A chip.
ايوه okay, a chip or your
Card.
debit or credit card. يعني بطاقة حق ال ATM صراف. البطاقة has a magnet.
Drill.
Yes, drill machine. Okay. So we need 4 to write here. So we wrote it. A compass, train, speakers, and car. Saud Al-Bishi, you are saying steel or I don't know, iron or what. Those are magnetic things, but they don't use magnet. We are talking about usage of magnet, not the things which are magnetic. Okay. So you should tell me the things that use magnet. ركز في الفصل لو انت موجود. Munabazari, you didn't participate today.
What, teacher?
You didn't tell me answer for this.
Yes, but I not know.
You should know, na? This is revision, so you should know. We did this, or even we did this on this page.
Ustad,
On this page, we did this. Look, drill, electric drill, power station, washing machine, speakers, cars, many things. Maglev train. We did this on the page, on the previous page, 61. And you are saying you don't know? How come? You should know that. Yani you just take the lesson and go home, class, sleep. Don't do this, boys. You should memorize everything.
أستاذ الدائرات اللي على اليمين في صفحة
سند ركز معانا يا حبيبي. أنا ما في خلص. I know which metals are magnetic. Which metals are magnetic? Now you can tell me iron, nickel, cobalt, like this. So even plastic is not magnetic. Kareem said plastic, mashallah. Plastic is non-magnetic thing. I can make a magnetic. This is an activity, inshallah. When you will come, we will do it. I know that magnets are used in lots of ways in homes and industry. As I told you, it is used in compass, train, speaker, maglev train, car, and many other things like power stations as well. Do you understand?
Teacher, I'm finished. Teacher, I'm finished.
But okay. If you have finished, طيب, लेकिन you should understand as well. ما في बस خلاص اكتب وخلاص روح. ما في فايدة. You should understand what we are writing.
Teacher, I am understand.
Okay, you understood. That's good. And tomorrow you should send me this compass. If you don't make, I will tell Mr. Adil, yeah, you didn't send me. No honors next time for grade 4.
Teacher, what?
Teacher, wait, please.
Teacher,
Let me
what?
write.
You should make this compass and send me like
I
an
don't have
activity.
the stuff. Teacher, I don't have the stuff. I don't
What compass,
have a
teacher?
paper.
Who
I
is
don't
this?
have a paper.
Fahad, you
have
don't have a
one
paper,
brush.
you don't have pencil, you don't have pen, you don't have anything?
Bye, Baba.
How come?
Bye.
You can buy it from supermarket. That is not the issue with it.
Teacher, in Taif, we don't have it.
Mashallah. In Taif, we don't have supermarket.
No, this.
I don't
The magnet.
need compass, ya habibi.
كومباس. يا أستاذ يعني ما فهمت كيف أسوي في الكومباس؟ Teacher, I don't have the stuff. I
Look,
don't have the
boys,
stuff.
I told you and I explained you this in the last lesson. قبل إجازة. I told you this
يعني
in the last
أرسمها ولا
lesson.
كيف؟
You can, yes, you can draw this. ارسم لازم. يعني سوي صورة وحطها هناك بس خلاص. This is your project. How come? You should make it.
طب لازم أقصها صح؟ عندنا قصة أستاذ.
ايوه لازم. first you will make it يعني draw ارسم.
وكمان-
ما في صغير زي كده، كبير ما في مشكله، زي ساعه.
أستاذ طيب
يس.
لازم أسوي كلر.
وكلر هذا احسن شيء يا حبيبي. you should make it like this or like this.
أوكي
like
أوكي
this
أوكي.
or like this. هذا سهل حتى. this is all brown and black.
أوكي أوكي تيتشر.
رامي كومباس معناها
just a moment I will show you as well. دقيقة بس.
حامد print the compass.
no need to print. how come you will print it?
Teacher,
yes.
what's the meaning of compass? Rami.
MashaAllah. Just a moment, Rami, I will tell you. Just a moment, please.
Okay.
I am just searching how can you make a compass. Look, Rami and everyone, you can make like this in في الصحن. شفت؟ في الصحن صغير. You can make this. Look, you can make this. This is a needle. Not
أستاذ
south.
أرسمه في صحن يعني؟
أيوة أرسم في الصحن. هذا أرسم في الصحن. شوف كويس ولا لا؟
أوكي.
هذا أرسم في الصحن. شوف هذا أرسم في الصحن. شوف حتى هذا في الصحن. شوف هذا برضو كويس. Check this one. شوف هذا أحسن. This one is this one. Look, this one في الصحن. This is the best needle. فهمت ولا لا؟ Now who did not understand? Tell me. أنا أبغى هذه اليوم. I need this today. You should send me this, okay? Everyone. أي أحد يرسل the best one. I will ask Mr. Adil to honor you, okay? But the best one. Who will make like this? Take a picture if you want. خذ الصورة screen shot. Okay? فهد السفياني صحن ما في موجود في الطائف ولا موجود؟
موجود.
الحمد لله. Okay, let me just take your attendance. Who is absent today? Grade 4, right? Okay. Ayham, are you there? Yes, there. Badar is there. Hamid Muhammad is there. Hussein, Rashid, Rami, Rayyan. Then we have Ziyad, Zaid, Saud. Saud Al-Utaybi, are you there?
Teacher, like this?
Not like this
Yes,
because
sir.
you
Yes,
cannot
موجود.
write in this. Rami.
أستاذ موجود.
Okay, Saud is there. Sanad, Abdul Rahman, Abdul Aziz, Fahad.
جيب
Abdul
صحن
Aziz,
بلاستيك.
Fahad موجود. Abdul Aziz, Fahad. Al-Jaid. Kareem, Fahad, okay.
أستاذ بخرج
Khalid,
أوكي؟
Muayyad,
أنا أيها.
Muhammad Humam, Munabba, Nadir, Nawaf, Yazan, and Abdul Aziz Naif. Abdul Aziz Naif, are you there? Abdul Aziz Naif.
أستاذ عادي أرسمها.
نواف العمري موجود؟
Yes.
Where is he? Nawaf al-Amri. Where is he? I can't see him. Nawaf Abdullah Sufyani is there. نواف
Teacher.
العمري غايب وعبد العزيز نايف.
Teacher, like
غايب.
this.
Yes, like this you can use this. But needle should be good like this, okay? لازم needle زي كده كويس يعني. So we have absentees Abdul Aziz Naif. If you are there, tell me now. Abdul Aziz Naif.
Teacher. Teacher.
Yazan غايب.
Teacher.
وعبد العزيز فهد غايب. Yes, Rami.
Teacher, I am Hussein.
Yes,
I
Hussein.
have a question.
تفضل يا حبيبي.
ساعد
Teacher, I don't understand. So we just like do a circle and then we draw it or what?
Yes, you can draw it like this. Draw the lines, okay? Then write here NE on the page. You can write if you want. On the page, make like this and paste it in the
Like-
plate.
So
And this you
So
can
I
fix.
do like
You can
that?
fix in the center. You can fix this in the center of the plate. This pin, needle.
so teacher,
Yes.
do we do it on a paper?
Hussein, you can do it on paper and put it inside the plate. Paste it.
Oh.
You can. Okay, no problem at all.
So I put it in a plate
You can, yes, you can paste it.
and then
The best
first
one will be
I
chosen, okay? Thank you so much. We are
First-
out of time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.